Hello.
Okay, bottom ball flip. Ah.
What the heck? What the heck? Each time I have just walked up to you, you make an epic bottle flip.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's not right.
Yes, it is.
That's not right.
Garrett. Calm down your